Alright guys, since we have like 5 people all at the same time on this Hummer H1, I'm going to do this video. The one customer that we promised till the end of the day had asked for a video, so I'm actually driving it currently, trying to get that done. As you can see, no check engine lights, no trouble codes. You can hear the rattly old 6.5. But this truck accelerates great. I'm on a road that really can't go but so fast because they do run radar through here. But the radio works. The AC is blowing ice cold even on the lowest setting. All the windows work. The locks work. We adjusted the windshield wipers. It's the dumbest design ever on an H1. Speakers here. Mother's Day flowers in the back to date code you that it's Mother's Day weekend. Just adjusted the mirrors. Surprising, the power mirrors actually work. You can see she boosts pretty good, but this thing does have an upgraded turbo, an upgraded tuner, and upgraded injectors. Now, if you're familiar with an H1, you will know the brakes groan every now and then. It didn't do it that time, but sometimes they will groan. There's your battery, your oil pressure, water temperature. Both fuel tanks work. The switch changes them. When we received this Hummer, it had a check engine light, it had a brake light, an ABS light, and the TT4 tire light. Now, the TT4 tire light is not accurate because it does not have tire inflation anymore. So if memory serves me right, when the computer was tuned, that was turned off. The ABS light was because of an eccentric ring on one of the axles that was replaced. And check light was due to something with either glow plug or a sensor that was also replaced. And if you guys are not following on this one, we actually had one of our customers buy this out of Florida and send it to us to have all the customization done. And as always, he is a connoisseur of toys. He decided he wanted something different and traded it back into us. Unlike, well, not unlike normal, like very much normal, but unlike most customers, he's trying to have every single vehicle known to man owned, I guess, in his possession. So, 55,303 miles currently. I will be driving this vehicle for the weekend, more than likely. And there you go, guys. Actually a really solid interior, much nicer than normal. And you can see the glass is actually original. You catch that right there. Those little lines are the heated element because these had heated windshield. I don't know why the phone is showing that up so much. I just noticed that because if you're looking through it, you don't see it in person. But there you go. Even has the original proper glass on both sides. So H1 Hummer, 6.5 diesel. And again, check out this turbo boost. She's boosting about 20 pounds. Pretty darn strong. And not burning a whole lot of temps on the barometer, which is good news. And we just replaced the stereo to have Bluetooth because it did not have Bluetooth before. So thank you guys for watching. Davis Drives on YouTube. Davis Auto Sales in Richmond.